Hey, Meme. Hi. Are you at the New Year? So, just me and Penny at the Hmong New Year. So many people, huh? Go pick it up. Give it to that little girl. She's right there. Right there. You wanna go ball tossing with them? You like this Hmong New Year, honey?
Oh yeah.
Bitch, you got your burger?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Okay, stay with
Bacon
the
cheeseburger with this.
There's tables over there.
Oh, what?
There's tables over there. This is what Nini has. What is that? What kind of sticker? Is that a Hmong girl sticker?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it to your face. Turn around. Yeah. Good job.